About this item: 9500 running watts and 12,500 peak watts, gasoline, 8,500 running watts, 11,200 peak watts, propane, remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start, up to 12 hours of runtime on a 6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Total harmonic distortion, less than or equal to 23%. Features 2 GFCI 120V5, 20R standard household receptacle, 1 transfer switch ready 120VL1430R, and 1 RV ready 120/240V14, 50R. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety. Powered by a heavy-duty 457 cubic centimeters Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine featuring a long-lasting cast iron sleeve with automatic low oil shutdown and digital hour meter. VFT display gives you real-time updates with the voltage output, frequency, and lifetime hours. Plug and play, comes with a remote start key fob, 12V battery charger, oil, an oil funnel, a toolkit, and a user's manual to get you started right out of the box. Minimal assembly required. All Westinghouse portable generators are functionally tested in the factory.